Hi class, in this video we're going to be talking about perpendicular bisectors and angle bisectors. For starters, let's talk about what a perpendicular bisector is. So, perp bisector. A perpendicular bisector is something that runs into a line perpendicular, so that's 90 degrees, and then the bisector part means that if this is my line segment, I'm going to bisect it perfectly, in other words split it in half, and then the line that comes in there, that angle is 90 degrees, and these two lengths are the same. So a problem that you may see in IXL that has to do with perpendicular bisectors could look like this. If line QR is congruent with line QT, so that's saying that this line is congruent with this line, right? And ST equals 18, what is RS? And that's this length from here to there. Alright, well, looking at a perpendicular bisector, this length right here, that's my perpendicular bisector. It's kind of neat that if I take a triangle, that's not a very good looking triangle, let's do a better one. If I take a triangle and I split it right down the center so that this degree right here is perpendicular, that'll tell me that this length and this length are the same, and then also that these two lengths are the same as well. So since we know that ST is 18, we also know that SR is 18. What we'll be talking about here is angle bisectors. Okay, and an angle bisector it does exactly what it says it's going to do. It's going to take an angle and then it's going to bisect it right in half. So whatever I have for a degree here, I'll also have for a matching degree here. In other words, these two angles are congruent. So an example is, say I have an angle that is, let's say it's 40 degrees, and then I bisect it right down the middle. That will give me two smaller degrees, one that is 20 and the other one that is 20. Let's look at what we'd see in IXL. An angle is bisected, forming two angles. If the original angle had a measure of 18, what is the measure of each new angle? Well, we know that the measurement from here to here, that's 18 degrees. So what do we need to figure out for what that individual angle is there and what this one is right here. And if I take 18 and I divide it by 2, I get 9 degrees. So I would type in 9.